Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I will be demolding or enchanted bath bombs. I know I promised that I would make a how-to video to make these, but I don't have access to a camera right now, so I'm having to use my phone. So I hope you enjoy this video, and at the end I will be including a demonstration on how it looks in the tub. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. I will be leaving a link to the products that I used in the description. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.